you know?
Yeah, you hit record.
Ew. Good evening.
We're going to redo our video because excuses. But
Excuse me. Your own phone.
I just don't understand.
Understand what?
Laura, don't ask me questions. You know what I'm talking about. I just don't understand.
Oh my god, how many times can you tell someone something before they keep asking you, like, okay, what don't you understand? Like, it's been said, right? Okay, then,
What are you talking?
then,
I thought you were talking about 5 hours.
oh, no.
Because it's kind of exactly the same, don't you think?
In a way. Okay, and then it's said a second time, right? Like, plain and clear, like, right there. It was said, not like it wasn't said clear enough the first time. And then you still avoid it. How can you avoid something when all you do is bitch about it? Like, you bitch about it.
Yeah, everybody else, except for, do you see this? Do you see this?
That?
No.
Oh my god.
I just, every single day, we never understand somebody, and I'd like to, I don't know. You tell me. You phone me. You phone me.
I also don't understand why.
You might not be.
I feel like a common thing to, like, fuck with people.
Yes? Oh! Bad timing. Okay, like 5 seconds. Thank you, bye.
Is it okay to fuck with people when they're not here? It's not a good idea. Or pay attention to what we're doing when we're
That's
not
not
here.
true. I'm always here, but
Sometimes.
I don't really know what to say other than I don't understand the majority of you. I understand her, but that's just about it. I have to go, so bye.